Hi everyone! Naghahanap po ba kayo ng aircon? Compact size, ring capacity? Ako nga pala si Erica, LG Product Specialist here at SM Appliance Sorsogon. Introducing our new model of LG window type LA150GC1 or 1.5 horsepower, a new compact size with capacity. Same size na ito na 0.8 horsepower, 1 horsepower, and 1.3 horsepower. Kaya hindi ka na mag-worry sa pag-upgrade ng aircon. Gumagamit ito ng dual inverter para mas mabilis ma-achieve ang room temperature. Using Thinky application, you can control your aircon anytime, anywhere. Monitor your consumptions daily, weekly, and monthly. AI Kilowatt Manager na pwede na kayo mag-budget ng inyong konsumo. What are you waiting for? Avail our new model here at SM Appliance Sorsogon. Enjoy your shopping!